All right, now, close your eyes. Focus on relaxing your body and putting your mind at ease. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs with air very slowly. Very good. Now, open your mouth just a little bit and slowly let the air out of your lungs. Feel yourself relax. Now again, inhale deeply, expanding your chest very slowly. Hold it here and slowly breathe out, relaxing even more with every second you push the air out. You focus on becoming completely at ease. Once again, inhale slowly, feeling your body rise. Hold it there for just a second and slowly release, feeling your chest go down. Your breathing is consistent and relaxes you. Now focus on your breathing. Now you are going to go to a place that helps you relax even more. You will become more relaxed than you have ever felt before. You are on a beach. As you stand on the beach, your senses come alive and you notice every detail around you. You look at the white, sandy beach to your left and right. It seems to go on forever in both directions. You look out at the water. There are little waves coming towards you. Look at the color of the water. It is a brilliant blue. You see the water as far as your eyes can see. You look up at the sky, and you notice seagulls flying along. You can hear their calls to each other. Notice how they glide in the air so effortlessly. You walk closer to the water. You are at the water's edge.